morning, children. Let us continue history lesson 4. What books and burials are giving information. In previous class, I have told about the Rigveda is giving information about the dialogues, and yesterday I told about the Vishwamitra and the rivers, and between both of them, what dialogues are there in the lesson, and they have given the stories, dialogues, and all. Along with that, in Rigveda, the archaeologist giving information about in the Rigveda along the dialogues, and also here they gave the more information about the cattle, horses, and chariots. So the main in Rigveda, they have given more importance for their prayers, hymns, especially for cattle, children, and the children also, especially for their sons' purpose and horses' purpose. They used to pray to the God and writing of the hymns, especially about cattle and horses and chariots. And these horses and cattle also they used in the battle to fight with other people or to fight with other country to occupy the another land purpose. They used to use the cattle and horses also. And here let us continue the lesson. The main cattle, horses, and chariots. Some battles were fought for water, land, and capture the people. So, in the battle means the war. The war is taking place. The leaders are when they are going to be occupy the different lands. Here we can see that the battle, the war, what purpose it is taking, especially the two areas between the water to occupy the water and special land purpose and capture the people to occupy the land, and whatever it is there in the land the ruler wanted to be occupy the special place purpose. So that's why they were using the horses, and in the Rig Veda they are praying for the cattle and for the horses and also the other animal purpose. And also the some of the wealth that was obtained was kept by the leaders. And here the children that they are collecting the taxes. When they collect the taxes in Rig Veda by the archaeologist, we come to know the information, the collection of the wealth. Who is collecting the wealth? The leader is collecting the wealth and keeping some money. What purpose they are using, how to use the money also here. And some was given to the priest, and the leader is collecting the money to whom they have given, and some keeping with the leaders, and some was given to the priest, and any balance it is there they are going to give and distribute for the people also. Next, some wealth was used for the performance of the yajnas, and those days and in Rigveda by the hymns, by songs, they are giving information. Those days the leaders and all they used to do the puja. In previous class I told about the main three gods are there. God of fire and also the Soma, and the plant which they are using, that plant medicine for the special drink they were using and praying to the God. During this time that some of the money they are using for performance of the yagnas and yagas also. And these yagnas and yagas, especially it is performed by the rulers. And also these were meant for God's offerings, could be include the ghee, grain, and in some of animals also. So in the performance of the yagnas, what the priest and all those who are performing yagna, what they are using, that some money they are using for buying of the ghee and grain and also some of the animals. So to perform the yajnas everything is needed. So separate money or wealth they are keeping and using for the yajnas also. Next, most men took part in the wars, and also they also chose leaders who were often brave and skillful warriors. In the Rig Veda giving information about that whom they are going to be elect as a leaders, especially the men. The men they are participating in the wars, and also all the people also they select the people, they select the leader, the brave person who is having the strength and courage to can fight, and skillful leader also. If they are having the more strength and courage and participate in the war and lead the people, that person they used to elect as a leader to rule the people also. So children, in Rigveda, what information is giving, this information was given by the archaeologist by the seeing of evidences in the Rigveda information. Especially they used cattle, horses and chariots also for battle purpose, and some money they used for collected by the leader, some money they kept for the priest, and some money they used in the performance of the yajnas, and some of the money they used and to in the battle purpose also they used, and men were participated in the wars. So children, let us continue in the next lesson.